What's up guys, Jeremy here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a glimpse of what it's like in the average day of a Hawaii real estate broker and investor's life. Spoiler alert, I'm talking about my life. I do want to warn you guys that not every day of my life is going to be like today. I just figured if I'm going to make a video like this, I might as well make it on a day that I'm doing a lot of things. Some days I'm doing nothing, some days I'm doing other things, but today was a really great day to pick to make a video like this. But before we do that, I'm gonna have to ask you to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on all my other social media platforms as well. All right, thanks. All right, now that we did that, let's start the day and fast forward to tomorrow morning.
All right, so I wake up at around 6:30, and the first thing I usually do is check my phone. I know some people say that's bad, but for me, like, it kind of wakes me up. I usually just check my stock portfolio, and usually that wakes me up because, you know, if it goes down, I'm like, oh my God, and that kind of wakes me up. And if it went up, then I'm like, oh sweet, and that usually wakes me up too. All right, so I just woke up, brushed my teeth. Now I gotta get ready for the gym. I usually eat these multivitamins in the morning. I like being healthy, so yeah. Next thing is pre-workout, and this stuff gets me up. Oh yeah. And then chug. Woo! Woo! All right, now we're ready to go to the gym. All right, now the pre-workout is kicking in. I feel tingly everywhere and ready to hit the gym. All right, let's go. So when it comes to, you know, having a morning routine and starting the day, I really think that, you know, this is one of the most crucial things, if not the most crucial thing that contributes to me staying focused, my success, and just, you know, being on it as far as my goals and everything I want to accomplish and, you know, all of that stuff. It's because it's my time in the morning to set myself up for the day, and I like to push myself physically, mentally, and, you know, I feel like when you start off your day doing that, that carries on into everything else. It carries on into my work and how I attack, you know, my day as far as, you know, helping my clients and just pushing myself to my limits and everything else. And with the gym, you know, it's just, it, you know, helps me get focused, helps me get fit, and I like pushing myself till I can't push myself anymore to failure. After my workout, I would always go on the treadmill to run a mile as fast as I can. But earlier this year, I made a goal for myself to try and read one book a week. I'm definitely behind that. But now, instead of running a mile, I just go on the treadmill and put like 10 incline with a 3.5 speed. And I go in there for like 30 minutes and I listen to Audible. And I like this because it's a great way to, you know, get two things done at once, where I'm getting my fitness in, but I'm also, you know, reading or listening to a great book. And so far throughout the year, I've already listened to like 18, 19 books. So I really definitely like doing this in the morning. And then afterwards, maybe 30 minutes, after like 300 calories spent, that's when I usually get off. And that is my morning routine. And that is my morning routine. I do that every day, Monday through Friday, and after cardio, it's usually like 8:30. But yeah, I'm gonna die. All right, so after my workout, I get home. It's usually around 8:45, and this is where I take my morning ice cold shower. And you know when they say you do something you don't want to do, and after a while you get used to it? I never get used to this. This honestly like sucks so bad, but you just gotta do it, you know? All right, here we go. I'm doing it. Woo! And I do this every single day. Woo! So I will say that filming myself naked for the purpose of putting it on the internet for the world to see was kind of weird, but hey, all for YouTube, right? All right, cold shower is done. Now it's time for my favorite part of the morning. All right, so I finished the gym, then did my cold shower. Now it's time for my morning protein shake. Got the blender, got a super ripe banana, whoa, spinach, some strawberries. So I kind of let these strawberries melt on accident, so now they're like frozen together. All right, that's good enough. Then of course we got the protein. I just bought this and I freaking love this flavor. It's Fruity Pebbles and it tastes so good. There. Oh. Then we got almond butter. And scoop is fine. Then we got oat milk. Then you got a few ice cubes because I like my smoothies thick. And then let's blend. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Gotta add a dash of cinnamon. Boom! This blender sucks. That's not good. All right, we're done. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, that's not good. I spilled my shirt. Okay, we'll change it later. This is so good. I drink this every single morning, Monday through Friday, after my workout, and I love it. And this flavor is amazing. Check it out, Fruity Pebbles. All right, I got my new shirt on. And usually around this time, I go check my emails from the night before. I try to answer that. But today is a very special day, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Let me just finish this first. All right, so now I'm on the road because today is actually a special day. I actually closed on a home today for one of my clients. Obviously, I don't do this every single day. That'd be dope if I did, but I don't. But yeah, today, he closes on his condo, so I'm actually on the way to the listing agent's office to pick up the keys. After that, we're gonna go to get a closing gift for my client. Usually for my clients that are buying a condo, I usually get like a surround sound speaker with, you know, subwoofer or something, just as a nice, you know, closing gift and congratulations that they just bought their home. Alrighty, we're good. We got the keys. Now we gotta go get a gift. All right, so now we're at Walmart and I'm trying to record incognito without people looking at me thinking I'm a weirdo. Alrighty, we got the sound bar ready to go. All right, whew, got the keys, got the speaker. Let's go meet up with my client. What's up, dude? Hey. Oh man. Today's a big day.
Swanky surf chat.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Here's the keys.
Nice.
All right, it's in the trunk, bro. Open the trunk. Boom! Congrats, bro. It's a little closing gift for you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. All cleared out.
Swanky
Ready to
surf chat. Here we are.
go. This is gonna be one hell of a project.
Oh yeah, green carpet is staying.
Green carpet, yeah.
These,
Damn. So this is the project we're doing. Very original from the 80s, I believe. Wow.
like the concrete floors, wood paneling on the ceiling, styles for the kitchen, green tile on the backsplash, obviously
Surf shack.
Yeah, surfboard storage, different like art, how we're gonna design the closets. The wood that we use will be like the same throughout the entire place to make it feel like it came from the same place. The wallpaper.
Nice. Sick. Dude. All right, just got home, just moved in my client. He just bought his home, he's super happy. That is actually gonna be a full-scale renovation, and I asked him if I could document the process and put it on my YouTube, and he said yes. So keep an eye out for those videos. It's gonna be a super fun time. But now I'm just waiting for my next meeting. It's about like 10:15 right now. I have a meeting at 10:30 with another investor. He's actually my good friend. We've met at a real estate company that I used to work before, and he wants to get into the flipping game. So I told him, hey, if you find a deal, bring it to me and let's analyze it. And maybe we can, you know, if the numbers work out, we can do it together. And he should be coming any minute now. So let's get that started. What up, bro?
What's up? What's
Doing
up?
a day in the life of Brandon today. It's gonna be like
Just taking
sped
clips.
up.
These are sick.
All right.
So is this your YouTube channel?
Yeah. This is my buddy Chris. Chris and I met at one of
the real estate companies I used to work for before. He and I are both real estate agents, and since he saw me getting to the flipping game, he also wanted to get into the flipping game as well. So he got this deal and he brought it to me, and we just met because we wanted to talk about, you know, the neighborhood, how much it's gonna cost to renovate, and also the comps and how much we think it's gonna we're gonna be able to sell it for. And it turns out it's an amazing deal. So I asked if I could see it and he said yes. All right, we just analyzed the deal and the numbers are looking really good on paper. So he gave me the keys and we're gonna go check it out. And that's like the cool thing about, you know, real estate, whether you're an agent or even an investor, is that your day is very spontaneous. Your schedule, like anything could happen. This morning, I just had plans to move in my client, give him the keys, and I had no intentions of going to see, you know, a possible flip, but because he brought the deal with me and it's so good, we're gonna go check it out, and I'm just gonna drop everything that I'm doing to, you know, go see the flip. So let's go to that right now. All right, guys, what is up? We are here at this potential new flip site. I'll show you around. Lots of space in the front yard. Here's the home. You have all of this big driveway. You fit so many cars here. That here is the carport. You do a lot with this space. Oh, okay. Lots of space back here. My friend was telling me we should probably add an addition right here. We'll probably see how much it costs. Oh, hey, hello. Alright. Lots of leaves. So, this is, ow, these damn thorns. So this is pretty much the outside. Here's the kitchen. Needs a lot of updating. Yeah, definitely one. Here's the living room. It's kind of dark, no light, only here. I mean, this living room is pretty spacious. We could do a lot with this. The interior is about 1,000 square feet. And I forgot to mention the square feet in the lot is about 5,000. And here is one bathroom. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath. I like the ceilings. Ceilings are pretty nice. It's like 9 feet ceilings. But yeah, that's pretty much the home. Very simple. Definitely an older home, older layout. So now that I've seen the home in person and, you know, I've seen everything around the home and what needs to be done, honestly, judging from the numbers that me and my friend were calculating, I think this is a go. I think this is gonna be the next one. So we just gotta do some negotiating with the seller. So if this ends up being our next flip, then I'm super excited because it's a lot of work, honestly, but I don't think it's anything too bad. It's just all cosmetic. Do some major landscaping work, cut down a few trees. Yeah, I think this should be good. Yeah, this seems like a good deal. It's pretty much what I do if something comes up spontaneously. But yeah, let's go back home. Oh yeah, I forgot to do one thing. So I don't know if you guys, for those that follow me on Instagram, you know that whenever I have a deal, I have this little tradition that I always bang the gong of deals. Woo! Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jeremy. I'm Jeremy and today we're gonna be cooking. So today we'll be just cooking a simple steak. We've got the rice. I'm gonna wash the rice, of course. Don't forget to rinse and repeat. Alright, now let's season the steak. We've got some New York steak. We're gonna use some salt, garlic powder, some pepper, some rosemary, and then some thyme. So, as you can see, perfectly seasoned New York steak. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. For the most part, I just eat steak or, you know, chicken, maybe some fish every day. Maybe some like ground beef patties, or I don't really eat out much, believe it or not. I try to save money. I only go out to eat for special occasions or if I'm going out with my girlfriend or friends, but I try to eat in and cook my food every single day.
But if I do go out, maybe I'll eat a lot or order a lot and I have a lot of leftovers. So if I have leftovers, then I'll probably eat that instead of cooking steak or something. Yeah, okay, so just flip this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, oh yeah, look at that. Finished product. Okay, let's see how it is on the inside. Oh yeah. Just perfect. Alright, so we got steak, rice, spicy poke salmon, tegu, and kimchi for the veggies. Oh, and we forgot one more important ingredient is the black truffle oil, because your boy is bougie and this tastes really good. And this is pretty much what I eat every single day. And then of course, whenever I eat my meals, I eat it on my balcony to enjoy this amazing view, because I mean, look at that. Who wouldn't want to eat with this view? But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this real fast, so 1 second. So now it's after lunch, and after this, I usually do a lot of computer work, and that entails anywhere from, you know, answering emails that came in the morning, maybe, you know, looking at homes or scheduling showings in the future for clients that want to see some homes, and, you know, also just watching YouTube videos from like Graham Stephan, Ryan Pineda, or anything like that. Some people might think that's dumb, but really I learn a lot of things by watching YouTube. And I watch a lot of educational stuff on YouTube. It's not like cat videos or something like that. So this is around the time where it's just kind of like dead time. If I don't have any showings around this time, then that's what I'm usually doing, is just on my computer.
And there you have it, guys. That is usually how my days go. Again, like I said in the beginning of the video, not every single day is like today. You know, I'm not selling a house every single day. I mean, I wish I did, but you know, that is not the case. Another thing I want to add is that usually around, you know, 3 o'clock when I'm done, you know, with the computer work and done with emails, usually if I have time and I'm not doing showings or anything else and I don't have errands, this is the time that I usually try to think of new YouTube videos, or maybe I'm scripting YouTube videos or filming or editing as well. It's really hard to say what I usually do every single day, because as a real estate broker and investor, our days are really spontaneous. Like I showed you guys that when I woke up, I had no intentions of checking out a flip, but because an opportunity came, then, you know, we're gonna go ahead and check it out. It's the fact that our lives are so spontaneous and that anything could happen is, you know, that is thrilling to me, and I love that so much. And before this video ends, I do have to do a shameless plug. If you're thinking about becoming a real estate agent, go ahead and check out my Real Estate Rockstar Academy course. In this course, I teach you how to become a great real estate agent and build and scale your real estate business from the ground up. This course goes over everything about becoming a great real estate agent, from the basics, A through Z, and also how to build and scale your brand and use social media to build and scale your brand. I'll put a link in the description below, but thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and follow me on all my other social media platforms. And after that, again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.